Captivating your audience, the power of drawing attention to. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning adventure. Today, we're diving into an incredibly useful and common phrase in the English language: drawing attention to. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your communication skills but also enable you to effectively highlight what's important in your conversations. Let's get started on mastering the art of drawing attention to the essentials. Drawing attention to is a versatile phrase used to emphasize the act of making something noticeable or significant to others. It's like shining a spotlight on something specific, ensuring it stands out and is acknowledged by your audience. This can be applied to a wide range of contexts, from objects and people to ideas and issues. It's about making sure something does not go unnoticed. Everyday conversations. In casual talks, you might use drawing attention to highlight something interesting or important. For example, I want to draw your attention to this artist I discovered recently. Here, you're guiding the listener's focus to something you find noteworthy. Academic and professional settings. In more formal contexts, such as presentations or reports, the phrase is used to direct the audience's attention to crucial data or points. Let me draw your attention to the significant increase in sales last quarter. This statement emphasizes the importance of the sales increase and its relevance to the discussion. Social and media communication. In social media posts or news articles, drawing attention to can be used to highlight social issues or events. This campaign aims to draw attention to the urgent need for environmental conservation. Here, the goal is to make the audience aware of and concerned about a specific issue. To diversify your language use, consider these synonyms and variations. Highlighting, directly pointing out something important. Spotlighting, focusing attention very closely on a particular subject. Emphasizing, giving special importance or prominence to something in speaking or writing. These alternatives can be used interchangeably with drawing attention to, depending on the context and the degree of emphasis you wish to convey. Understanding and using the phrase, drawing attention to, empowers you to effectively communicate what matters most in any situation. Whether in casual conversation, a professional presentation, or raising awareness about important issues, this phrase is a key tool in your English language toolkit. We hope this video has drawn your attention to the importance and versatility of drawing attention to. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next learning adventure together.